Hi, I'm Phil, Technical Manager at Wynn's, and welcome to Wynn's Under the Hood. We have more than 80 years experience in additives and always evolving to meet the needs of new technology. In this series of videos, we're going to take a look at the 3 Wynn solutions for cleaning a DPF. The question is, what's your process for a block diesel particulate filter? So when a vehicle enters the workshop with a block DPF, how can we effectively clean it and restore vehicle operation? A block DPF is often the result of a contaminated combustion chamber, which affects the combustion efficiency and increases soot deposits. The reason is fouling of the induction system or contaminated injectors, causing incorrect spray pattern and fuel mixture. When a vehicle enters the workshop with a DPF issue, it's important to check the soot loading. Checking the soot loading will help you determine the right course of action and select the right cleaning solution. It's also vital that we check the oil and check the oil system for dilution. At any point when we're working with the DPF system, we must always clean the oil system with Wynn's Oil System Cleaner and change the oil and filter. The solution for soot loading of 40 to 70% is Wynn's DPF and GPF on-car cleaner. A powerful low-foaming aerosol is applied directly to the diesel particulate filter via the pressure sensor pipe. Allow the product to soak into a warm DPF. Once this is complete, start the vehicle and run at 2000 RPM for 5 minutes. After this, take the vehicle for an extended road test to clear the system through. For more information, visit our website www.wynns.eu or download our Wynn's Expert app.